Working with family could have its challenges for women, and particularly when your mother was the boss, in a time when women in leadership positions was very rare.
Well, this side over here, this is the couple that put the factory in here, Cal and Marie Frazier. They bought it and created jobs for lots of women.
So what time did work start?
Well, when I was in school, I started at 6:30, and I'd work till 8, go to school, and I'd come back, work from 4 o'clock until 6, go home, come back and work till 9 o'clock.
I cannot believe that they let you work as a teenager like that in school.
Well, yeah, Mother was supervisor, so.
Oh, I see.
Her mother was Estelle Grimsley. I remember her very well.
Estelle Grimsley.
Estelle.
During this time, really, other than maybe a teacher at school, I never knew many women who worked outside of the home, period. And certainly I didn't know women who were in charge of anything.
She was the number one lady. Actually, she didn't have much sewing skills. She was just, she was a go-getter. Go-getter. She worked hard. She came out of the cotton patch to this. I think she was hard on me, but that was because I'm the boss's daughter. She fired me twice.
She got angry and fired.
She went and pulled my card and said, "Don't come back."
She threatened me twice.
Really? What were you doing?
She said that I didn't like it, and I told her about it. And she didn't like that either. You don't do that. She's your boss.
Was she criticizing the way you were sewing?
Well, that was her job.
She had to come over and look and see what we did, and if you didn't do it right, she would put a red tag on it, and you had to do it over, and you couldn't miss a stitch.
I wouldn't want to do that.
Lace on the bras.
You had a lace cup and you had a tricot cup.
Yeah.
And you set that tricot cup in there.
You sewed around it?
Yeah,
Did
you sewed around it. Yeah, sewed around it.
Did you zigzag or just
No,
straight stitch?
Anyway, you got paid by the box. You got so much an hour, and then if you met your quota any over that, well, you got some extra.
Off the ticket that you had to tear off of each box.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So when I left, I was making pretty good money. We had 2 or 3 years of drought, and stuff it was hard. That was the reason I started to work, to help pay the lunch bill for the kids at school and just little things help out.
I had rather stop my mother working here as out in the cotton patch.
Well, of course, yes.
And so this was, for all the women, that's where they came from.